Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial learning about the Doctype. So whenever we're doing an HTML document, we want to add this starter template inside of it before we type everything, indicating the type of HTML it is and that it is a HTML. So all we have to do, this is the basic structure of it, and they give us an example. All we have to do is copy this, and then in most code editors, there's a shortcut you just used, exclamation mark tab, and it just automatically fills up. So it's nothing you really need to memorize. It's pretty just standard that, oh yeah, this is what you have to do before typing any HTML. And for this exercise, they wanted to add the doc type and then also add the opening and closing HTML tags, which we have here, and then put a h1. So h1, hello, and we close the h1 tag, and we can see it goes here, and that's it. Sorry, I forgot I misspelled it. There you go. Thank you.